Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to check the antifreeze level of your engine of your Audi A3 or A3 Sportback. The first step is we open the car hood and then we can see in front of us there is a container, a tank with the antifreeze liquid in it. And you can see there is a minimum area and a maximum area. In between these two areas, the level of the antifreeze should be. To top up, we are using distilled water and of course antifreeze liquid. These two components comes into this tank now. We open the tank, but take care. If your car was running a few minutes ago, there is a pressure under it, and it is a hot pressure because steam can come out quickly. So take care of your fingers. To check the antifreeze level first, dip in a pipette and suck a little bit of the antifreeze liquid into it, and then you can read on this pipette inside swimming body how deep your antifreeze level is. With this information you can top up the antifreeze container by using distilled water and antifreeze liquid. An antifreeze is an additive which lowers the freezing point of a water-based liquid. An antifreeze mixture is used to achieve freezing point depression for cold environments. Common antifreeze also increase the boiling point of the liquid, allowing high coolant temperature. However, all common antifreeze additives also have lower heat capacities than water, and to reduce water's ability to act as a coolant when added to it. And if you now top this up half and half at the most of the time, you can check again, and if you checked again and you're right with it, you can close the tank again. And then you're ready to decollage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.